Today, July 7, 2026, Anthropic's Claude family of large language models is generally available inside Microsoft's Azure Foundry service, and every inference run is powered by Nvidia's newest Blackwell Ultra GB300 GPUs. This marks the first time a third-party foundation model is offered as a fully managed service on Azure Foundry, with Microsoft handling deployment, scaling and security while Nvidia supplies the accelerated compute. Customers in the United Kingdom can now provision Claude through the Azure portal, select a GB300-based instance and start generating text within minutes, without needing to install drivers or manage GPU clusters themselves. The service is billed per second of GPU time, matching Azure's existing consumption model for other AI workloads. The rollout followed a series of announcements that began with the strategic partnership between Microsoft, Nvidia, and Anthropic on November 18, 2025, which pledged to bring Claude to Azure infrastructure. On June 2, 2026, Nvidia revealed a unified software stack that enables agentic AI deployment from Windows devices through to the cloud and on-premises, laying the groundwork for Claude's integration. Microsoft then confirmed on June 29, 2026 that Claude had reached general availability in Azure Foundry, a detail echoed by Yahoo Finance on July 5, 2026 and by Nvidia's own share price update on July 6, 2026, which highlighted that Blackwell Ultra GPUs are now handling Claude workloads. A Zawiya article on July 1, 2026 noted the models are running on Nvidia GB300 chips inside Azure, confirming the hardware stack. The immediate impact is felt by UK-based developers and enterprises who previously had to build their own GPU pipelines to run Claude at scale. Now they can spin up a Foundry instance with a few clicks, choose a GB300-based VM size, and receive a secure endpoint that automatically scales with demand. Because the GPUs are located in Azure's UK South and UK West regions, data residency requirements are satisfied, and latency for real-time chatbots or Copilot experiences drops to under 150 milliseconds in internal benchmarks. Early adopters report a 30% reduction in time to market for AI-powered customer service bots, and the pay-as-you-go pricing model lets teams experiment without upfront capital expenditure on hardware. Looking ahead, the partnership roadmap suggests Claude will soon be woven into Microsoft's broader agentic AI stack announced on June 2, 2026, allowing the model to be called from Windows 11 Copilot, Teams extensions, and Azure IoT Edge devices without leaving the Blackwell Ultra environment. Nvidia's roadmap indicates that future Blackwell-based architectures will support larger tensor core counts, which could enable Claude 3.5 scale models to run with comparable latency. Market analysts expect Azure Foundry's AI catalog to expand, with Claude becoming a flagship offering that drives higher consumption of GB300 instances, thereby reinforcing the demand signal already visible in Nvidia's recent share price movements. In summary, as of today, July 7, 2026, Anthropic's Claude is no longer a research-only model but a production-ready, GPU-accelerated service available through Microsoft Azure Foundry, underpinned by Nvidia's Blackwell Ultra GB300 hardware. This combination gives UK organizations a turnkey path to deploy state-of-the-art language AI while meeting data sovereignty, performance, and cost efficiency goals. For developers, the barrier to entry has fallen from weeks of GPU provisioning to minutes of portal configuration. For investors, the tie-up underscores the growing relevance of specialized AI accelerators in the cloud ecosystem. The takeaway is clear: Claude on Azure Foundry, powered by Nvidia GPUs, is the current state-of-the-art for enterprise-grade generative AI.